back to my channel, and this is a new week. It's gonna be crazy. I have so much to do because next week, as I said, if you have seen my last vlog, you guys know already that I am going to Europe, and we are going to 3 countries, which is Paris, Amsterdam and Belgium, Brussels. So yeah, that's the plan, and my hand is bleeding. I have so much to do today. I have to get my couple of pants to get altered after that, and I received some of the Amazon essentials that I ordered. Got so excited, so I opened them, I tried using it and all that stuff. Some makeup products from Nykaa, and so like I'm pretty much sorted with all of these things. So I was thinking कि आज से मैं शुरू कर दूँगी पैकिंग करना, बिकॉज वो काफ़ी ज़्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट है. एंड आई एम सॉरी अगर आपको बहुत ज़्यादा आवाज़ आ रही है, क्योंकि बाजू वाले घर में कंस्ट्रक्शन का काम चालू है. तो इधर yes, right, my friends, guys, a pretty good angle. Okay, right? So Sagar cut me off and he wanted to speak something about the trip and all. So we were deciding ki kya hai kya nahi. So we finally decided the itinerary. So our first, we are going to go to Paris, then Amsterdam, then to Tomorrowland. God, I'm so excited about this trip. It's gonna be crazy. And I have not yet decided about the outfits. Tomorrow I'm going to get my nails done. So I have this thing going on, like purple bag mein sab saman pada hai of all the Amazon products that I ordered, and all of the products are like really amazing. उसमें से एक है वो थोड़ा सा expensive है, but it's like worth it for sure. It's amazing. So I wanted to do a little haul before I start organizing my jewelry. So what I'm gonna do is थोड़े दिन मैंने plan करके रखे हैं, because Monday is my birthday. Such a boring day. Monday क्यों आया मेरा birthday? Saturday mostly I'm going to celebrate my birthday a little early. So I am going to vlog that as well. This is what my makeup looks like. I did like a wing eyeliner with the eyeshadow, and used MAC brush stroke eyeliner, brown black, I don't know. I'll just link it down in the descriptions. I just had my chai, raining like crazy. बहुत ही ये impromptu vlog है guys. ये मतलब ऐसा कुछ मैंने अब तक सोचा नहीं था. But yeah, let me show you guys what I actually got from Amazon. So before that, I'm sorry, the room was like super mess, but before that I just wanted to show you guys my OOTD. It's like super cash, and this is the black t-shirt from H&M. The pants are Zara, and I think the socks misguided, I guess. And I just ordered a new chair for my table. So here is the bag full of Amazon stuff that I ordered. First one is basically this pouch, cosmetics or toiletry pouch, and this is open like this. You can obviously hang it, and aisa hai basically there are 2 small pouches and there are 2 big pouches. So this I'm going to carry in my handbag, where I can keep all my essential stuff, because it's like a long journey. Next one is for my wires, because मैं एक bag में डाल देती हूँ पूरे wires वगैरह और इतने fucked up हो जाते हैं. I ordered this. So you open this. Obviously, like all the things that I got are like this, and you open, and yeah, I did try to organize it. So this is what it looks like. You can add all your wires. This is SD card and stuff. And here I'll add my hard drive. When you open this, it has like a nice cushion inside, so it's like pretty good to protect your power bank or your like hard drive stuff. And this for cards, and like this basically all my electronic stuff, gadgets. So, and yeah, I also did a little shopping for my birthday. पता नहीं क्यों, you know, कुछ ऐसी चीज़ होती है कि जैसे कि तुम वो चीज़ देखना नहीं चाहते हो, और वो जानबूझ के तुम्हें बार बार तुम्हारे आंखों के सामने आता है, and it's the universe is saying that you should get this thing. It's not me, it's the universe. So cute, right? So you open it, and obviously like you can hang it, and this is how cute, right? So this is like this is what I got for my travel, and it's like super handy. You can add your sunglasses. It has like 1, 2, 3, I think five compartments. So it's like pretty good deal to me. I think it was for under 1,000 rupees. So and these are really good. Whatever I'm showing you guys, ये सब बहुत अच्छी quality के है. तो anyways, ये 3 चीज़ें नई हुई. And after that, later I am going to organize my jewelry. I have a lot of jewelry. I'm obsessed with jewelry. What can I say? It's not obsessed. I am clearly obsessed. Next one is the jewelry organizer that I got. तो जिसके बारे में बात करेंगे, थोड़ा सा एक्सपेंसिव है guys, but it's worth it. The material is amazing. It's super spacious. It's amazing for like 2 weeks travel or 3 weeks travel if you're traveling for a longer trip. This is amazing for organizing any of your jewelry. Super safe and super compatible. Look how thin. I've already added a couple of jewelries that I want to take to the trip. It's like so thin. I love it so much. So this is what it looks like. You open it and yeah, so this is the ring compartment. I've already added a couple of rings, as you can see. I've already added it, and here you can add your watches. Here you can add your watch, whatever you want to carry, a single watch or something. Then here you can add your smaller earrings, and then here is your earring compartment. It's pretty cute. I added one of the jewelry just to see how it looks and all. So yeah, ho gaya. And this I've added a big earring. So big earrings you can add here. यहाँ पे वापस आप छोटे-छोटे earrings टंगा सकते हो. There is more storage, guys. Wait, let me show you guys. And when you turn, so this is the front. Oops, this is the front. Then you go back, and there is one more storage. You have your earring stuff, so you don't want to mess around with your earrings to entangle them or it breaks or something. So you can like add all your jewelries, earrings and all stuff here, and there's like more storage underneath, so you can add something here as well. I love this so much. Even my parents loved it so much, so they were like, okay, after your travel you're giving it to us. I was like, no. You know what Indian parents करते हैं, तुम्हें कपड़ा धोने के लिए वो soap देते हैं and they give you brush and it like takes a lot of space. You have to carry a lot of things. So what? I was watching one YouTube video and I saw some Amazon essentials and I thought, I don't know if I'm gonna get this यहाँ पर मुंबई में या फिर in India especially. But I got it. It's the detergent sheets. They carry a couple of sheets with you when you're traveling and you just put it in the sink. और फिर बाद में वो एकदम अच्छा खासा झाग बन जाता है और आप लोग कपड़े धो सकते हो सिंक के अंदर पानी डाल के. उस शीट को डाल दो, पिघल जाता है अंदर एंड देन यू मिक्स इट एंड यू वॉश योर क्लोथ्स देन एंड इट स्मेल्स अमेजिंग. सो दिस इज व्हाट द शीट्स लुक लाइक. दैट्स द बेस्ट फाइंड. These like pouches for a better packing experience because मैं बहुत ही गंदे तरीके से पैक करके आई जस्ट थ्रो क्लोथ्स और फिर बाद में वो ज़्यादा इट एंड्स अप टेकिंग मोर स्पेस. So this I'm gonna it comes with like 4 to 5 packing cubes, bigger to smaller. So like it's this big and then this small. So yeah, that's the thing. But later on I'll show you guys when I'm packing. I'll show you guys how I pack and what I'm doing because this is also the first time कि मैं ऐसा करने वाली हूँ. I need water. So I'm gonna organize my jewelry right now. Yeah, and I just ordered. I was just about to say this. I just ordered Kiwi Mexican Hour TV and it's here. I'm so hungry. It's here. So I am going to watch a YouTube video.
At the summertime, I have Fusion facial oil.
So I have like right now finalized all my jewelries and it's right now because I really wanted to not do all the jewelry stuff on the day when I'm doing my outfits because फिर बाद में ना दिमाग काम नहीं करता and it's like super crazy. Let me show you what I finally like figured कि मुझे क्या क्या लेना है. So these are 2 Dior bands and this is from Daniel Wellington. These 2 are from SNAS Studios. Then this one is my collection. I'll link it down below. And again these are 2 anklets that I'm carrying. Some jewelry. This is what I have planned so far. So now let's do the jewelry packing. It took me half an hour to fix this. Now I'm gonna go and edit my makeup video that I filmed, which is makeup on a budget. जब तक ये vlog जाएगा उससे पहले अपलोड हो चुका होगा, so you guys can check it out. Hello there fam, it's almost 2 to 3 days later and I did not vlog at all. Yesterday was my birthday, today is 12th July, 14th I'm flying to Europe, go to Paris, to Tomorrowland. Like I have talked about it earlier, and the last few days what I've been doing is just prepping myself for the trip. So I went to get my nails done, then I went for shopping and got my Gucci bag. This is what my hair looks like, a better angle, a better view. My birthday was yesterday, so we had a really great time. We celebrated on 10th. And thank you so much for all the lovely wishes. It was amazing. Thank you so much. A virtual hug to you guys. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Crop tops packed. पैक करना बिल्कुल पसंद नहीं है, एंड अभी हम लोग वेट कर रहे हैं, होपफुली ज़्यादा ना हो वेट. एंड आई एम टेकिंग like these 2 bags. So these are the 2 bags. This is the carry-on that I'm taking along with me. I just got it recently and it has my name. It's 17. It's the next day and tomorrow we are leaving, like almost packed. Tomorrow, like in the morning I'll pack all the miscellaneous stuff like toothpaste, toothbrush and stuff that I need because I'll be needing that in the morning. So right now I'm packing my skincare and makeup and stuff. I just cleaned all of my brushes today when I was back at my place, mom के घर पे, तो मैं सोचा चलो ये काम खत्म कर लेती हूँ. This is the bag. I got this for free when I was purchasing some stuff from Sephora in Dubai. So ये उन लोगों ने मुझे गिफ्ट कर दिया था. But yeah, this is what it looks like. मैंने कुछ चीज़ें पैक कर दी है इसमें already, but still I'm not really sure. ये सब तो मैं obviously निकालने वाली हूँ. Here I've kept all the brushes and यहाँ पे मैं सब skin care डालने वाली हूँ. I got this gift from Nykaa. So this is what it looks like and मैं ये try करने वाली हूँ जब मैं Tomorrowland जाऊँगी. I bought this recently. It's the Quarterly face mist and it's so good. So I use it always after my face wash and when I'm done doing my face. And it's so refreshing. Few hours later, I've like literally packed everything. These 2 are going to go in the sorry guys, but these 2 are going to go in the suitcase, keeping it handy in my travel bag. So far this is what I've packed. Like these are some tops, makeup, and I put my Prada and Gucci here, my jewelry. हाथ पकड़ के निकलते हैं हर जगह, क्यूट लगेगा बहुत.